Welcome to 200 3D CAD models in FreeCAD series. In exercise 115, we will create 3 basic shapes and put them together to build this whole object. And I think I'll be doing that in Part Workbench. Right, I will start from the front face. So let's go ahead and transfer this image to X zipline and find that I'm holding the Alt key down on the keyboard and rotate it like this. I want to place the center of the workspace right here, so let's go ahead and do that. And I need to bring in the axis cross first, so hit AC on the keyboard, then transfer the center to the center of this circle. Now I can take the axis cross out of our way by pressing AC on the keyboard. Let's go ahead and start sketching on a zipline. And I want to draw, I actually want to draw only the 2 outside parts. So there will be a circle, there will be another circle, and then there will be a rectangle. I think I'll just draw the rectangle by using the polyline. Alright. Now that we got that part taken care of, let's go ahead and put some constraint to it. This radius, we can make it 25, and the outer one, it would be radius 30. And then we can place these corner points of the rectangle on the axis, all 4 of those, and that will constrain the inside rotated rectangle. So we got that part taken care of. Now this actually doesn't make any good, but anyway, this outside circle is 6 millimeter thick, so I'm gonna go ahead and actually build that one first. So it will be 6, and I want to make it symmetric. All right, now the rectangle, the rotated rectangle, is 10 millimeter thick. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to pull in the sketch. So hit Ctrl C and B, and then edit that sketch. I'm gonna go ahead and make these 2 construction geometry, so I don't want to delete them. Maybe I can delete this one, but it doesn't make any, it doesn't add any benefit to it. But alright, so we got the rectangle. I can actually extrude that for 10 millimeter and make it symmetric now. So we have that extension. Alright, so even if in this one I did not have the rectangular part built in there, it should be fine. So now we have 1 extrude, 2 extrude. So this is going to be the circular bend, and this is going to be rotated rectangle, square maybe. And now we will add a tube. We will just go with the primitive. Now for the tube, inside radius is 13 and outside radius is 15 and the total length is 40. All right, and now I want to transform it to make it look this way facing. Okay, and I want to push it backward for 10 millimeter, but I can actually hold up onto that one. It's right there. So from the center to the end of it, this length is 3, so that's 5 and 15. So we'll have to push it down by 15 on the tube. On the position wise, the y it would be minus 15. Nope, it would be plus 15. Okay, there. Now I can go ahead and make these two a connect, and that way that takes care of the inside part. And finally make these two one part. So that's our fusion final object. Now what we have is, nope, it did not work. So the connect actually deleted that outer part. I don't think this will work here. Alright, so on this one the connect tool would not work. We will have to delete this inside part manually. So let's go to the rotated rectangle and add a circular portion to it. And this one would be radius 13. Yep, that makes more sense. Now we can go ahead and make all of these one object, and that's our final object. Oh, I should have actually thought of this connect tool before I actually applied it. But hey, that's all about parametric design, right? We can go back and then take care of our mistakes if there is any. Okay, I want to see now. This is at this point, this is literally hanging by a thread. It's only a point connection there. I want to see actually if this creates this cross section. So let's go ahead and give that a try. So on this one, I'll be trying to create a take draw out of this object. So I want to have the front ones. I want to start from the front and include. Okay, that looks good. On this one, hit OK, and on the front side, I want to create a cross section view. Let's say this way, or maybe the other way. Yeah, this makes more sense. And I want to say this is identifier A and hit OK. I don't know where this line came from. Let's go back to see. Oh, that's this line. That's the line. But it should not be there. I mean, it's not part of the take draw. Should not be. So let's go ahead and see if it. See if we select the other way, the line goes away. Then again, this one does not match with this one. I can not working that way. Okay. Okay, so we got rid of the line by using the other view and then rotated the view. That looks good. So the cross section looks good. The cross section conforms to our original tick draw, and that's what actually I wanted to see. So what's so good? Well, hopefully you like this process. If you have any comment or a question, leave them below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.